Immobiliser fit, and this is a brand new Mercedes GLC. It's a 74 plate. As you can see, only got 16 miles, still got the wrappers on the screen. The vehicle's brand new and the customer wanted it secure. So they've gone for a Halo Mini. If a thief got the key and went to steal the vehicle, the ignition powers up, but as you can see, the vehicle doesn't start. So what the customer has to do, keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button until their lights come on. Then for now we have left, right on the windows, receive a flash from the heated and vented seats, and now we can put our foot on the brake and start the vehicle up. At the minute we've got the door open to cover the map, but as you see, that's how the system works. When you turn the vehicle off, you receive 2 flashes, and if a thief tried to steal the vehicle, it's not going anywhere because the system activates straight away. To put it into service mode, which turns the system off so Mercedes can do what they need to do without knowing your code, you'll double tap the start button, foot off the brake, enter your code. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll hold the last button. So you see we've got 1 flash confirmation. We'll keep this button held for about 10 seconds and you'll see we get 5 flashes. And now this becomes a normal vehicle. So we get no 2 flash activation. The system's going to be disabled completely and the vehicle's going to fire into life without needing a code. This system doesn't expire, so as you see, when we turn the vehicle off, we can start it up again. This system stays in service mode until you take it out. And when you take it out, you do the same process again. So feet off the pedals, double tap the start button until your lights come on, pop your code in and hold on the last button. But this time we're only going to get 1 flash once it's come out. So we'll keep the last button held on the push sequence. As you can see, we're holding it until we get our flash, and the system is now active again. So we get a 2 flash activation on the door, and you'll see the vehicle's no longer going to start because we've taken it out of service mode. Change the code, you keep your foot off the pedals, double tap the start button until all your lights come on. Then you'll go code, receive your flash, put your foot to the floor 10 times and accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Receive our double flash, we can set a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3. We'll turn the ignition off and you'll see we get 1 flash to confirm our new code. So now the code's changed, we'll double tap the start button. 1, 2, 3, receive our flash and we can start the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and it's a Halo Mini on a brand new 74 plate Mercedes GLC. Thanks for watching.